Good morning, children. I hope you have watched the previous videos on section formula and you have completed question up to question number 13 from exercise 11. Let us do some more problems. Let us solve a few more questions of exercise 11. Here, question number 14. The line segment joining point A minus 1 5 by 3 and B A5 is divided in the ratio 1:3 at B. The point where the line segment AB intersects y-axis. Now we have to calculate the value of A and the coordinates of B. So first let us draw a coordinate axis in order to understand. Now A point minus 1 and 5 by 3 and B coordinate A5. Now the line joining the points AB intersect y-axis at point P. So as it is intersecting at point P, we can see that its x coordinate becomes 0. So let the coordinate of P be 0, y. Now as it is dividing in the ratio 1:3, therefore by applying section formula we have 0 is equal to 3 into minus 1 plus 1 into A, the whole by 1 plus 3. Therefore 0 is equal to minus 3 plus A by 4, or 0 is equal to A minus 3, or we can have A is equal to 3. Therefore value of A is equal to 3. Now applying section formula, here value of y will become y is equal to 3 into 5 by 3, 3 into 5 by 3 plus 1 into 5, the whole by 1 plus 3. Therefore y is equal to 5 plus 5, 3 cancel, 5 plus 5 by 4. Therefore value of y is 10 by 4. On cancelling we are getting 5 by 2. Therefore we have coordinates of P is equal to 0 and 5 by 2. Let us see another question. Question number 17. The line segment joining point A 2 3 and B 6 minus 5 is intersected by x-axis at the point K. Write down the ordinate of the point K. Hence, find the ratio in which K divides AB. Also find the coordinates of the point K. So let us see how to solve. Here let us draw the coordinate axis. Now point A is given coordinate 2 3 and B is given 6 minus 5. Now the line segment joining the points AB intersect at the point K and it is intersected by x-axis. So as it is intersected by x-axis, so we can see that its y coordinate is 0. So let the coordinates of K be x and 0. Coordinates of x we can take, K we can take x 0. Then as it divides in the ratio K is to 1, therefore by applying section formula we have here you see multiplying K with the coordinates of B and 1 with the coordinates of A, we have x is equal to 6k plus 2 by k plus 1 and y is equal to minus 5k plus 3 by k plus 1. Let it be equation 2. Now in the beginning you can write let coordinates of k be x0, since the here we see that y coordinate is 0. Now solving from 2, what we have? Coordinate of y here is 0. Therefore, in the place of y we can write 0. So 0 is equal to, from 2 we have 0 is equal to minus 5k plus 3 by k plus 1. That means 0 is equal to minus 5k plus 3. That means we have 5k is equal to 3. That means k is equal to 3 by 5. So value of k is 3 by 5. So therefore required ratio is equal to k is to 1 is equal to 3 is to 5. Now from 1 we have x is equal to 6k plus 2 by k plus 1. Putting the value of k, we have 6 into 3 by 5 plus 2 by 3 by 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 3 is 18 and 5 2 is 10. So 18 plus 10 the whole by 5 divided by 5 1 is 5. 3 plus 5 8 divided by 5. That means 28 by 5 into 28 by 5 into 5 by 8. 5 5 cancel, 4 2 is 8 and this 7. So value will be 7 by 2. Therefore we have coordinates of k will be 7 by 2 and 0. Let us see one more question. Given a line segment AB joining the points A minus 4 6 and B 8 minus 3, then we have to find the ratio in which AB is divided by the y-axis, the coordinates of the point of intersection and the length of AB. So let A and B be the points. A coordinate is given 4 6 and B 8. Coordinate of B is given 8 minus 3. Let us join AB. Now as it is intersected by y-axis, therefore its x coordinate will be 0. So let it intersect at P. So its x coordinate will be 0. So let the coordinate be 0 y. Okay, and let the ratio be k is to 1. Now here k and 1. Therefore ratio we have taken k is to 1 and coordinates of point of intersection P be 0 y as it is intersected by y-axis. Therefore we have applying section formula, 0 is equal to k into 8 means 8k minus 4 into 1 minus 4 by k plus 1. Also we have y is equal to minus 3k plus 6 by k plus 1. Therefore, we have k plus 1 into 0, 0 is equal to 8k minus 4. That means 8k is equal to 4. That means k is equal to 4 by 8. That means k is equal to, on cancelling we are getting 1 by 2. So k is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the required ratio is k is to 1. Now coordinates of points of intersection we have to find. We have y is equal to minus 3k plus 1 by k plus 1. Putting the value of k, we are having minus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 6 by 1 by 2 plus 1. On solving, we can get it as minus 3 by 2, and here 6 to 12. So 12 minus 3, 9 by 2, and here 3 by 2. That means 9 by 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, coordinates of P is 0 and 3. Now, we have to find the value of AB. So, AB, applying distance formula, AB is equal to root under 8 minus 4 the whole square, 8 minus 4 plus minus 3 minus 6 the whole square. On solving, we get root under 144 plus 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So 12 square 144, minus 3 and minus 6 minus 9. Minus 9 is square 81. So it is equal to root under 225 is equal to 15 units. So your answer will be 15 units. Length of AB will be 15 units. Thank you, children. Try to solve the questions from exercise 11 up to question number 20, and try to solve example questions also. I'll come with next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.